Hey traders, welcome to episode 486. Happy Wednesday to you. Always happy when y'all are here. Always happy to hit that live button so we can take a look at the one coin to rule them all once again. It's really done a whole bunch of nothing since the night stream. Really since the day stream, kinda, right? Our monthly candle closed yesterday. And we're currently sitting at 53.72. On the tether chart, 53.72, and then the US dollar chart with Coinbase, 53.04, as you can see, right chum. So, hey, still, as you know, we pivoted. We expect higher prices than where we are right now. Okay, just the way the waves work, I would think that we wouldn't crap out here randomly above the 50% retrace, above the 50 moving average, above overhead resistance. I just wouldn't expect us to stop here, but just based on wave analysis, I guess, right? Where you created XABC, now you're working on the longer leg D now, okay? Just like here, but about down here, man. Wait, sorry, wrong chart. But remember the bearish cipher when as soon as we double bottomed, we knew we had a potential pattern, and we ran all the way up within $5 of the entry for that short. Okay, that was on the breakout cipher. Okay, so yeah, man, higher prices probably. All right, at least 55.42 in time, and if we're lucky, 57.31, the 1272 from X to A. That's how we get our targets if we ever exceeded the April 22nd, April 23rd high. All right, so what does that tell us? The fact that we have hit the highest high of the impulse that really all started. I mean, this move, the beginning of the trend, December 15th, 2018, this is the highest high since that nadir level. So from that low point to this high point, we have not retraced 23% of the way. This was not enough at all. So we don't even know, dude, if this is a major daily swing high yet. We have no idea. So it might not be. So that means that's why there's plenty of room to run to the upside. If you look at the 4 hour, it's beautiful. There's plenty of room to run. You're at 59, right in bullish territory for a chance to break to the upside. Okay, so positive momentum, you're holding on to it. You're losing some volume, I think. I mean, I think that's when the histograms get lighter, is when your volume or price action or rate of change really isn't much. Okay, so all right, man, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for higher prices right now, just based on harmonics. All right, and waves. See if we can mimic Big Brother behind us. We're working on it, man. We're working on it. Okay, that's it, man. That's Bitcoin. I don't know. I did an analysis today on XRP, and I did a static video on education. It was the ABCD pattern, the bearish ABCD pattern. Okay, so some of y'all saw it, most haven't, and I don't expect anyone to really watch it. I mean, you know, whatever. What's more exciting, XRP price prediction videos or investing in yourself and becoming a better trader? XRP price prediction videos, certainly. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that you're, well, I mean, I was sick and fed up too. I mean, that's why I started doing this, dude. Okay. Amen to that, Kang Logan, dude. Sage words. What's up? I don't know. I guess I'm just going to engage with chat before I move on to Ethereum and stuff. Why not, dude? Slow day. It's Wednesday. Bitcoin Kang. Hello, Gerard. Mr. Pace. Mark Foster. What's up, man? Hey, Coach K. Ultra C Jesus, man. Welcome. Christopher. Mr. Gordeski. Hey, Bradford. Adam Anderson. Slow and steady wins the race, but yeah, the bell ain't V-chain. Is the bell part of the race or something, dude? I don't know. That's right, Mike Smith. Help on the way. Good Dead & Company music, dude. All right. Kind of the same song I played yesterday at the beginning of the day stream. Doesn't matter. Hey, Julia. Broccolinos. Welcome. Midnight Synergy. Oh, I do want to say something real quick. I want a big shout out. Big shout out to these fantastic people. Bronson L, Derek M, Gino B, Dan Stylus 1. Thank you all for joining the Patreon today. Really appreciate that, because people like you, I'm able to come back multiple times a day to do analysis on your favorite assets around all markets. So thank you all for that. And again, if you're new, like, the day to join the Patreon, the best day is today, May 1st, the first of the month. All right, so you get the most value out of that. So don't be mad at me if I am talking about Patreon more. I will talk about Patreon for maybe a week, like advertising it, letting people know it's a way to support the channel, and also it's a way for you to invest in yourself to become a better trader. I'll do that, and then it'll start tapering off, where it doesn't really matter anymore, because it's starting to get to areas of where there's not as much value, because you're only getting 3 weeks or 2 weeks or 1 week of Patreon. So you get 4 weeks now. So thank y'all for listening, at least to that. You knew I'd be on at this time. You just didn't get a notification. Of course, no one gets the notifications. It's like every time notifications go out, it's like 90% of people don't get it, but a different 10% of people get it on different, publications of videos or streams, right? So it's just like a constant 90-10 thing. I don't understand why it's like that, but man, it's real bad. And it's like, I'm talking major YouTubers are having real bad issues with this notification stuff too. It's like a big major issue that YouTube has done nothing about to fix it. Okay, and that's why I was like talking about, let's just go to switch to Twitch, man, because there's never issues with Twitch. What's up, Raymond Cheek? Toy Channel, hello. Ridiculous, welcome. King Hoddle the first. Ooh, royalty, welcome, man. You like the flannel, dude? Thank you, dude. It's like plaid. It's not flannel, actually. I think it's like 100% cotton or something like that. I don't even know, man. It's some sort of material. Okay. Also got a new Is That a Joint sound clip. It's a lot higher quality, but I think the higher quality makes it not as good almost. Okay. What's up, Nikki Faff? Hey, do we make sure, Nikki, we set up that thing. Hey, are you available after the stream today? We can knock it out, man, if you're ready. It's all about if you're ready, dude. I will blow your mind with stream consultation education. All right. Joe J, is that true? I'm on, so all other tasks went on holds. Wow, man. Big deal, dude. But Bandy, I'm glad you liked the video. Bart's a hodler, but he watches the streams, or watches my TA from the Netherlands. Awesome, dude. I love it. We're building the Netherlands army greater and greater every day, it seems like. Freaking love the Netherlands. I love all the Nordic states, man, right? The Nordic area, because that's like, I think, where a lot of my blood's from. I'm like part Viking, so hard to tell, right? Whatever. You don't get notes either? Yeah, no one gets notifications, man. My alt account never does. I mean, that's the way I look at it. The metric I use, I'm like, hey, I don't get any notifications at all on my alt account for when I go live, when I post videos. I got 0 today. 0 of 3. 0 of 3 today on notifications. Okay, let's go to Ethereum now. Well, actually, let's go to Bitcoin to the US dollar. Okay, we'll look at it. We don't have to stay at the tether pair, but tether, man, just, oh God, the divergence makes me just salivate. It's like, oh, that's so amazing, dude. That kind of stuff right there is a really good indicator. And like the trend you're in is upsloping, so the bulls have the ball. All right, here we are. We're not, oh, hey, ladies and gentlemen, we've done it. We have done it. I can use this sound clip finally, dude. Wait. I take that back. Oh, we were so close, 53.58. $20 off the measured move. Come on, man. That's okay. Look, impulse up, this slightly down sloping consolidation. Proper consolidation. It's what you're looking for higher prices, okay? We breached the 25% trend line of the equidistant channel. There's nothing wrong with coming down and back testing it as support. 52.77, and eventually what's going to happen, if you can keep this price action consistent with the higher highs, higher lows, the 20 moving average will once again bullishly cross over the 50, and all will be right with the world. The way the moving average it should be, right? Where you have your 20 above your 50, above your 200, and then you bounce off the 20 moving average as a support, and you stay above it, where the 20 bullishly fans away from the 50, start spreading out, okay? Diverging moving averages. Okay, so this is fine, man. This is great. consolidation that we're starting to see. I mean, it started today, right? You know, the impulse, the big move, the sexiness, everything was yesterday, and today is just a cool off day, as it seems for now. All right. X, A, B, C, looking for D, up the 886, 55.69 on this chart. Okay. And if we exceed the 886, then we're looking for 100% retrace, and after that, the 1272, and we've already got that fibbed for you, 58.33 or 56.47. All areas where we could reverse our price action to the downside. Okay. Okay. 3 drives pattern, potentially, but really tough to say, man. Okay. I mean, you sold off, you hit a bottom, high to low, 1272. You sold off again, high to low, 1272. Let's see if we can go high to low, 1272 for the third time, and that would be the 3 drives. But really tough to say here, man. I guess, yeah, you impulsed up, but the height to the new low, that's how we would get our fib extension, and that's how I think we, you know, Hink had a really good idea there. The high to low, 1272, high to low, 1272. One more time, high to low, 1272. That third time, when you get the third time, that is the great area to short. 58.33, come on, man. Where is the 58.33 area? The 1272 entry for a crazy short. Oh, well, it just so happens to be back June 24th and June 28th, double bottom. Crazy resistance, finally. That's like the first real resistance, and we have not really hit it yet. And it's like, why have we not hit it yet? Maybe it's like because the market can stay irrational longer than we can stay solvent. You know, normally you just expect straight up to 5,800 then sell off, but nah, man, we're gonna create a bearish 3 drives pattern maybe first. See if we can get it, man. If we get that, dude, that's gonna be a legendary short opportunity based on everything that's happened before it. Okay, Bitcoin Connect. Awesome, dude. Thanks for the 202 people tuned in. Really appreciate y'all. If you're joining the live stream, at least kinda hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thank y'all. All right. Eklund, I don't know why you want to look at MCO, dude. Really sketchy comings and goings with that crap, dude. What do you want? Why look at MCO? They created a new entity that's separate from MCO, Crow or whatever. So now they've got, and then MCO, Monaco or whatever, has become Crypto.com. But then Crow is Crypto.com chain. Talk about confusing, sketchy, weird, man. It's like, why even look at it? Just so, ugh. It's got crypto written all over it, man. Yeah, MCO's in the right atmosphere. It's yeah, we're in the right planetary conditions for MCO to be a scam with crypto, right? But man, you just don't understand. People are using Monaco, Crypto Chain, or Crypto.com. I can't remember which one. They're using it in Singapore, man. Hey, John's Family Vlogs, man. Dude, John's Family Vlogs. Dude, you had some wonderful new footage on Sunday, dude. John Caldwell, are you part of John's Vlogs? Y'all are both with the J's, man. J-O-N's. Jon Snowman. Can't wait to see the, you know, the family videos when you edit them from all the raw footage we saw, again, on Sunday with the battle. Insane, dude. Thanks, man. Or thanks, men. I don't know. I don't think that's pure coincidence where I got 2 subs back to back and they're both named John, right? There's a black market crypto, dude. And then there's the Black Hammer XRP. Oh my god, man. You want the WoW Chime bra, man? Dude. I don't know why you didn't get it. When did you sub to this channel, dude? It's always best to sub to the channel when I'm live if you want the Jesus Chimes. But sometimes it doesn't even pick it up. It's so dumb. Candlesticks, my day's going well, man. It's going real well. Got, you know, getting my bathroom, my master bathroom, like redone. Like, you know, already finished the sink. Got to finish up a little bit. But second stage of my bathtub getting replaced with granite. So he like finished it today. Oh, it looks amazing. And so like he's coming back tomorrow. I think he's got to come back 2 more times to completely finish it. But yeah, man, big changes over at Casa de Harmonic. Okay. Where am I on chat? What the heck? Brad says ascending triangle stuff on OMG. MACD looks like garbage though. Still, or slight bullish divergence on the daily. Ugh, OMG, man. Sure, we'll look at OMG. Okay, I'm saying ascending triangle stuff. Venice Beach rat. Dude, I was at Venice Beach a couple months ago, man. With Kang Logan and Probst. And I don't know, Bradford, did we ever... I don't think you came with us to the actual Venice Beach. Whatever. Yeah, it was awesome, man. It was the first time I think I'd ever been to Venice Beach, for real. I might have gone when I was young, because I've been to Cali a lot, but, like, not, like, really as an adult. I mean, now I have, I guess. What's up, Bradley Abel, dude? Alright, best of luck, dude, but I don't know, man. I don't know if it's prudent. A short position here. What is your reasoning? Is there divergence on the oscillators? There was divergence on the oscillators, but then we played out. Then we bearishly harambe'd and sold off, and then we bullishly engulfed yesterday. I don't know if it's prudent. I don't know if there's a low risk, high reward opportunity on a Bitcoin short right now as it stands from what I see. But hey, man, best of luck to you if you're doing that. I mean, definitely. Okay. So yeah, man, sure, we could always just make the lower high randomly, the 50% retrace and sell off, of course. But remember the trend we are in. Bullish for now. But yeah, dude, failing here would be very, very bad. Okay. Even going to the 886 and failing. Dude, if you go to the 886, you notice this on the daily. If you go from the high to low on the 8, you go to that 55.78 area, that would be the highest candle close we would have seen since the pump up on April 1st. Wow, or really since the lowest levels in December 15th, 2018. But yeah.
I watched the restream.
Nice.
You used this strip.
Oh my god, man.
BTC.
Dude, don't tell him, man. Thanks, Kills for Living, for the sailboats, man. Really appreciate just the ongoing contributions from you, man. Alright. Just want to say that. Thank you. Really. Yeah, dude, we'll look at data. Okay, so, Bradley, man, what's the plan? What's your trading plan? What is causing you to take your short on Bitcoin right here? Where we had an impulse up and we have slightly down sloping consolidation, potentially setting up for higher prices based on the wave analysis X, A, B, C, possibly D up here. Okay. I mean, it's all good. Jeez, man. What a freaking dumpster, dude. Freaking dumpster. Theta connected. Alright, yeah. Oh, let's look at Ethereum. Hey, John Zanko, man. Dude, that's 3 Johns in a row? Is this a coincidence? Or is
that a joint?
I need feedback on that, okay? Where we at, man? Where we at? Which one is it? It's Bittrex, yep. Yep. Ooh, sorry, man. Selling off a little bit. That's okay. That's okay. You do sell off. Bitcoin sold off, so did Ethereum. That's not a big deal. Hey, what did we do, though? Ran up, hit that 200 moving average on the 4-hour, and then we rejected it. Oh my god, last night we were actually talking about, remember the hammer, the bearish hammer reversal? Well, you got it, man. Don't even act like you didn't hear that. We didn't even talk specifically about this when it emerged, when it became reality. Falling below the 50, 20 moving average is right below you, 155. You could probably say we will probably hit 155. But either way, you're still okay, man. All right. Say you pivot right around here and you run again. Hey, guess what? Not only do you have the potential bearish bat, but you also have a potential rising wedge that would be developing with it. Perfect, dude. Okay. So we can leg up one more time, run and get closer and closer to 168, 169, which is the downsloping resistance. Okay. You know, anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, dude, yeah. Good luck breaking that. So you would think that we could run up one more time, hit that, and sell off, and eventually in time, it could take us till mid-May or late May, but we would like to see the bullish bat pattern hit its entry, a confluence area, and bounce. 200% retrace, whatever. Okay. So that's it, man. That's Ethereum bearish crab playing out incredibly. Hit the first target, second target. So this is the first target right here. This is the second target here, and we're looking for the third target, which is literally the third target of the short on Ethereum, is actually where one would close and reverse their position to take their long. How crazy is that, man? Oh my god. All right. I can't believe 3 Johns in a row, man. That's tripping me out, dude. I feel like the Womp Womp's coming, dude. Kang Logan. What's up, Jim Boppin, dude? Well, hey, you know, we actually did a in-depth analysis on XRP. Static video. If you really want that XRP, man, you can go watch it without music, without chat engagement. It's just me and a chart. Or a couple charts, okay? This is the most recent static video I have produced. So if you want to see XRP, it's there, man. And it doesn't last long, which is good. Thanks, Mr. Sid Vicious. Bad Rose says ABCD pattern video more valuable than XRP video. 100%, I agree. 10,000%. But the problem is, dude, guess what? I get no views on that video. In time, I might, because it never goes stale. But it doesn't help my growth of the channel. Okay, so I have to think about that. So it's like if I just put in a little bit more work, right, and do the education video with high quality, and then do the XRP analysis, which is good. It's an update for a lot of people care about XRP. So I do it, and I think it's a win-win. But I think a video like the one I did on ABCD, it will accumulate views over time, whereas the one I produce on XRP will die because those videos go stale because the charts keep moving, man, every day, right? So that's it. Okay, hey, sorry, my bad. Hello? What the? It's not showing up. I gotta refresh. Hold on. Dang, dude. Hey, kills for a living. That was the first tip of May. You were the first kills for a living. Thanks so much. You're my boy. Blue. Okay. Says, Nikki says, thanks for the help. I'll be in Discord after stream. Okay. By the way, do you know the reference? Mitchie the Kid? No, but if you give me like 2 seconds, I'll be able to. But it's not Mitchie with an IE, it's with a Y, it looks like. Mitchie the Kid. I don't know, he's got a Patreon, it seems like. Dang, dude, he's got like 1,200 patrons, dude. No, but I don't know what it is, man. You want to tell me some more about it? Thanks. All right, yeah, cool. We'll have that meeting after this stream, okay? As long as you're cool with that. All right. Sorry, I'm like, I don't even know where I'm at on chat. It like freezes sometimes. It like will just, I don't know. What's up, Janix89? Oh, the spy. Oh yeah, the spy at the end of the day. It was a nice move down. Happy about that, man. Dude. I took a risky play on MasterCard yesterday, and it played out incredibly. It was like social media, everything except the technical analysis was extremely bullish on MasterCard. Okay, everything. But it's like, wait, the chart's saying everything different. 1618 fib extension at all-time highs, 83 on the RSI on the daily, man, leading into earnings. And we bearishly engulfed today. Thank you very much. That's so nice, dude. Okay, it's really nice. What's up, Mr. Madella, coming in from South Africa? Shout out to Linda Cool Madella. Stay safe down there, okay, dude? Summon her. Oh, Psy Girl? Really? Nah. Did we do it, man? Oh my god, we freaking did it, man. Y'all are lights out. Or I guess days out, or lights on, because it's day stream. It'll be lights out at night. You are inclined to believe, Candlesticks, that there are too many shorts open right now, and who's going to pay them when they are all correct and make profit? BitMEX Insurance Fund doesn't support those kinds of gains. Alright, so short squeeze. It's Candlesticks consensus, it seems. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I just need to refresh, Christopher. It does that, man. Sometimes it loads perfectly and sometimes it doesn't. Alright, just writing down these last three. I'm almost done. Okay, almost done with... Look, man, sometimes like we go too hard on chat. Sometimes we go too hard on charts. But it all evens out. Like Thanos. I hear you, Bart, man. Sure thing, Ed McCracken. You think Bitcoin's struggling in this range? I don't know, struggling, man. I mean, it struggles all the time, but eventually breaks. It's like, it's just a patience game. We're looking at the 4-hour chart. I mean, like, dude, it takes time, longer than you might expect. If you're not used to looking at the 4-hour all the time, dude, you need to get used to looking at the 4-hour all the time, because, like, it takes time. Like, it can take 4, 5 days, 6 days to begin a wave and to end the wave. It could take a week or more. Like, alright, for instance, on Bitcoin, let's look at the last time, right? Let's look at the distance from C to D on the last little harmonic stuff we had. No? Is it here? Just don't know. I think I heard of it. Hold on, look back to there. Just for a sec. Okay, so for instance, when we started April 16th, no, April 15th, 15th, 16th is where it's all started, right? That C, that pivot, like the pivot we got here. Okay, so remember that 15th, 16th April, and it didn't end until the 23rd of April. So we're talking, what, like 8 days? Over a week it took us to get to the pinnacle before the impulse down happened. Dude, it was the 29th when we pivoted. It is now the 1st. It's been like 2 days. It takes time and it requires tons of patience, okay? So the fact that you say we're struggling, are we really struggling, or is just it a 4-hour time scale? Okay. What's up, Charlie Francis? Wow, Andy says his short on the US dollar, Japanese yen, I went over last week, hit profit target and reversed 15 minutes after. Unbelievable, Andy, man. Well, I mean, I guess it's actually very, very believable, right? Since we use technical analysis for our arguments. But you know what I'm saying? Like, it would be like unbelievable in regards to, I don't know, it's connotative meaning, where it's like, whoa. Instead, you know, it's like, instead of saying unbelievable, you could say just awesome or amazing or that's crazy, but it's not, right? There you go, Bradford. Patreon or patron membership at a critical support with bullish divergence on the oscillators. Let's go, baby. Brian Nowick, what's up, dude? Weight of it. MasterCard, weight of it, connect. Oh, Morgan Freegan, hello. Good luck, dude. Just be careful. I mean, like, placing a call option on an asset the day of earnings. Be careful, all right? Be careful. I mean, like, Wilkowski says he doesn't even trade. If there's earnings 3 weeks away, he won't even trade it. What? Dang, dude. That's crazy. Okay, that's just his thing. So, all right, Bitcoin, see it 55.42 in time, and hopefully beyond. Be kings. Okay. We were gonna look at, yeah, Theta Connect now. Theta Connect. Oh yeah, all that crap. It kind of played out and then didn't. Really, my music over, man? Wow. Dude, just bleeding out, man. Alright, it was pumped and it's slowly dumping. Alright, yeah, you're diverging. Yeah, I get it. You're getting divergence on the MACD. Low, lower low. Lowest low so far, bullish divergence, and then you got a low, a lower low, and you're showing lower levels of relative strength, which is not good. You know, normally you want to see what could happen is we could bump to the upside, maybe hit 2135 sats, and then, you know, run up on the RSI, and then eventually sell off again to make lower prices than this low, and then get higher levels of relative strength and get that hypothetical RSI bullish divergence, and then you might still get some more bullish divergence on the way down. But dude, this thing is, it had its fun in the sun, and it's dumping, man. Methodically bleeding out as to not create a panic from whoever taking profit. They're just slowly getting out. It's like, get the heck out. You're below the 200-day moving average now, man. That's not good. That's not good at all. Let's fib it. Low to high. Oh, you've exceeded the 78.6% retrace. Miserable, dude. So deep. Like, think about it. If you'd have bought in, if you were a psychic for a day or two, and like you were told, hey, November 20th, 2018 is the bottom for Theta Connect. If you'd have held from that bottom, you would have lost 84 to 85% of all the gains you made on the way up. Traders market, dude. Traders market. No, dude. I need to invest in Theta, man. I must invest in Theta. Alright, man. Have fun with that. Where's the formal structure? There isn't really a formal structure or pattern. Dude, it's just like a channel or something, dude. Oh yeah, dude, it's just like some scrub channel. Scrub channel. 886 is 1567. Critical supports. It looks like you bounced off one. You bounced off one from January 24th of 2019. Think about the months that have gone by. You're back to those areas now. Opportunity cost, yeah. Of investing in Theta. Alright. But their marketing team will tell you it's a wonderful idea and it's long term. Don't worry about the ups and downs. While time goes by and you get older every day and Theta doesn't make consistent long term gains. Okay, have fun with that. Parking your money in something doing this. Hey, great to trade though. Go over the trade, man. Bull pull, bull flag, measure, move, and beyond. All right. But take your profit and exit your position. Okay. So yeah, I guess a little bit of divergence, a little double bottom action. It's not even really divergence, just a double bottom on the RSI with lower lows. Okay, so yeah, you might reverse, but you could just run up to hit 1950 and sell off again. Okay, Theta, I don't see much promise here, man. We're normally looking for these moves, not tail end, like you pump and then you dump. That's not really what we're looking for. Okay. Jeez, man. Brad says ascending triangle stuff. Ascending triangle stuff? We're making lower lows than our previous low, which was February 6th, right? We're at all-time lows, aren't we? No, not all-time lows. Yeah, all-time freaking lows, man. high to low of the structure of this pattern, you hit a 50% retrace, which is always the primary target. Never hit the secondary target, but double topped at the 50%, giving confirmation that we were done. We were screwed. And so any kind of harmonic we thought exceeded it. All right. Exceeded that harmonic. Yeah, there's a little bit of bullish divergence on the MACD. You got that. Dang, dude, it's still loud. RSI, I mean, I don't really think we can call that divergence. It's just like, maybe, but probably not. We know what we're doing. We're like back testing the area that was once a support, pretty much kind of as resistance now. I mean, it looks like we're kind of back above it, but dude, no confirmation, very low volume, and it wasn't even a bullish engulfing candle, dude. I think there's just better opportunity out there, man. Okay, better opportunity. Big eye. What is this, Captain Crypto? T-Fuel coin? Oh my god, dude. Worst name ever. Awards. I must invest in data, dudes. I must invest 420. Yeah, dude, do it. Cab up. Bitcoin hot or not? Did we analyze Bitcoin like rather thoroughly already in the stream? Anais, I mean, I talked about it for like 20 minutes. Half this stream was me talking about Bitcoin on multiple exchanges. And so now people are like wanting to see other things. Man, still holding on. Holding on to this shark by your chinny chin chin on Nia. Whoever requested this. Alright, just hanging on by threads. You got some divergence on multiple time scales. Right, just a very, very slight amount on the MACD. And you're at a 1618 fib extension. You're at an 88.6% fib extension. You have a stupid amount of confluence here. All right, a confluence zone. I mean, when you have confluence so powerful at the PCZ, the pattern completion zone, that's real nice, man. That's really freaking nice. Sharking, dude. But come on, man. Get it together and go, or you're going to be destined to get screwed. All right, we had the bullish divergence. It played out, but really struggling to break above these moving averages on the 4 hour. Really unfortunate, man. But if we were ever able to really break above the moving averages and start retracing, all you're doing is a retrace from C to D, you'd be looking for 2120, 2355, and 2622. That's it, man. Okay? Bitcoin's kind of hot. Okay, a little bit. In terms of very, very short term, I think Bitcoin's kind of hot. Good talk, y'all. Good talk. Good God, man. So bad. Thoughts on ZRX? Dumpster fire? Like huge, miserable dumpster fire? You're at a support. ZRX support from December 24th, Christmas Eve of 2017. That's what's kind of trying to hold on right now. And it's not really that strong, okay? Dude. Bearishly engulfing right now, believe it or not. You are bearishly engulfing, man. And, okay, let me see the 4 hour. Do I have fib extensions up? No, let's just look at ZRX real quick. It was like you've dumped. Let's go low to high. 4 fib extensions. All right, you're bouncing off, man, right around that 1414. But again, we know this magenta trend line right here is again a support from December 24th, 2017. That's what's bouncing. Okay.
Shopify, please. Is this thing a Ponzi or what, man? All it does is go up for a yes or no. Looking for a short opportunity / entry. Shop.
Yeah, be care, but Shopify, no, I don't think Ponzi, no, dude. I mean, it provides a good and service that people pay for. Dude, think about it. Like, as a content creator or something, on Shopify, they make it to where you don't have to ensue the overhead costs with your merchandise. You know, back like before Shopify and other like services like them, you would have to like get a bunch of custom logo stuff made and shipped to my house, and then I'd have to like manually ship it out everywhere, box it up and all that. But now it's like they hold the inventory, and so they'll make, and if someone buys something on Shopify for my merch or something, they will create it, charge for it, their service, and then I think they send it to you. I can't remember. We haven't really done it yet, but it's something. It's pretty much like that. So it's a really revolutionary type of service that they provide. But I'm sure it could get really saturated with competition with what they do, and a lot of people could probably do something like that. But no, man, I wouldn't say Ponzi scheme. No. But we'll look at it, man. Okay, we'll look at Shopify Connect. So ZRX is still down sloping, right? Still down sloping and in fib extension territory. 49.69 is the 1414. Almost touched it. Very close, dude. Like 20 sats off or something stupid. Alright, so kind of going sideways now, but still remaining within the parameters of the downsloping channel. No bueno, man. But we know how to target if we break out of this. If we do, you break out, you go from your high to low, and you look for the golden zone. It's so simple, man. Do it over and over and over again. Alright, but we don't even know if this is the swing low yet. We have no idea. Jeez, man. Alright, Julia, how it going? How do I grow a beard? Easy, I just don't shave. That's it, Austin, man. What's up, Justin McCorkle? He said he wanted to say thanks for the educational video today. Looking forward to watching the next if you keep making them. Thanks again, man. Well, it was kind of like a Patreon preview. It's like that's the kind of education you can expect if you join my Patreon, right? If you join just for the education, it's worth way more than what the charge is for it. But at the end of the day, you're saying, hey, I don't even care about that. I don't care about anything. I don't care about the trade setups. I care about supporting you as content creator, because what you do is what I like watching every day. That's really why you join the Patreon. Interesting. CWG says Shopify has a good retention rate because you have to call your bank to cancel the sub. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, dude. I mean, like, what did we look at last time we looked at Shopify, dude? What was happening? What had happened? What had happened was bull pull bull flag. I do declare. Yeah. That's it, man. Didn't even retrace 23%, really. Not really. Measure move's insane. Way higher. But I don't know if we'll get there.
Why should I not be buying TRX right now? P.S. Will we see you at any Dead & Company shows this summer?
Bobby W, man, thanks for the $3.33. Why should you not be buying Tron Connect right now? I mean, like, what pair, man? If it's setting up for higher prices, then maybe it's a good idea. But Tron to the BTC pair, been terrible, man. Like, I know we've looked at it, and we can look at it again after Shopify. But Tron has, it's just been solid. Actually, it might be double bottoming now. Kind of, maybe. And it's kind of like pinnating. Higher lows, lower highs. Yeah, we got some pennant action going on, and we got some really nice bullish convergence. Hey, man. a critical support. There might be opportunity here on the 4 hour, at least for a mild move to the upside, and we'll look at that. All right. So Shopify, man, historical uptrend. Bye bye. See you. You're gone. All right. I think we've exceeded all the fib extensions in the world, right? Oh yeah, dude. I mean, you got a 2618 fib extension at 271.90. Let's go to the daily. Oh, I'm on the daily, man. So we never made that retrace, did we? Never made the retrace to the downside. That was the golden zone down there, from a high to low. We only retraced here. We said, okay, looks like a nice downslope consolidation, and it was like gone. Gone. All right, and that's what happened. Remember, we talked about education. You retrace between the 23% and 38.2% retrace when you're bull pull, bull flagging, or when you're bull flagging. And so this was like a 20% retrace, probably. I mean, pretty much. I mean, it was right above the 236. All right, so you're going on up. Measure move, man. I don't even know, dude. Let's try like shorter term fibs. I don't even think you can. Exceed the 2618 from your previous high to low, the minor high to low. So yeah, man, you're gone. You can measure move it, or you can just go with fib extensions. And so it's probably, why is there look again? So 245 16. We get 252, 250, psychological rounded number resistance. We hit it and have rejected it. That actually also is some sort of resistance. Guess what else did? The MasterCard did the same thing. So we'll plot that. Okay, $250. We rejected it today. So overbought as F, 78 on the RSI, previous high, UR. But the thing is, we don't know. We don't really know if this is it, if we're done running yet. Okay, could keep running. Did you see that, the way the stock market closed today? Muck S a little bit. But so you are making lower levels of relative strength than your previous levels, barely. Well, you're really overbought, and you're in complete outer space at a rounded psychological resistance, $250. Okay, so you got to break that. If you can break 250, you're probably going to have a decent run to 270, 2618 fib extension. So I don't know, man. 4 hour, are we showing any kind of divergence or anything? See, I like MasterCard for my short because there was an exhaustion gap, a textbook exhaustion gap at a 1618 on the dot fib extension. I'm talking like perfect. This here, bull flag, I don't know, man. 250, and what would we close? Do we have anything? Nope, you have no divergence. So I don't know, man. Okay, I really don't know. Don't know when it would, you'd have to look at the macro, maybe timing the macro to get this thing to move down, because when the macro moves to the downside, Shopify will move with it, okay? So that's what's been happening. All right, man. There you go, dude. Tron Connect. Thanks for the 265 people tuned in right now. Remember to hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you're enjoying the content. Enjoying this technical analysis around the world or something. Okay, Tron Connect, previous high or low to high. We are nearing the 786 retrace, a very, very deep retrace at support back from October 8th, 2018. So just think about it. If you'd have gotten in on Tron and if some psychic was like, hey man, this is the bottom, November 20th, you bought in and you held, you'd have lost over 76% of your gains. Okay, so think about traders market, right? Big retraces. And there might be a little promise on the 4 hour. Maybe? What, dude? I just don't know. Look, it's like a pennant, just like Bitcoin had recently. Terror, right? So I really couldn't tell you, man. Couldn't tell you. I don't know if 76% retrace is enough for Tron Connect, all right? A couple ways we could look at this. We did break to the upside. We could fib from the high to low to look for golden zone targets. We also do the measured move. Very simple bread and butter. Hey, Mr. Elixir, dude. Thanks for the $5 super chat. $200 week moving average just below confluence. Okay, so that's all right. So that's even more confluence, dude. Even more, dude. Roll tide. Roll mother effing tide. RMFT. Thanks again, dude. So that's like another thing we can throw in the mixing bowl, right? For reasons to believe why we might bottom there instead of where we are now. Very, very simple here, y'all. Okay, if we broke to the upside, a measured move would put you at 487 sats. A measured move to the downside would put you right at 380 sats. 380 sats is another type of scrub support. November 7th, 2018. Yeah, that's it. So, there you go, man. Why you should or should not be buying Tron. Hey, man, if you're a gambling man, go with God, give it a shot. If one wanted to take an entry, 425 is the lowest risk at this point, it seems like. But again, dude, you're downtrending. Do you see the trend is not your friend? Right now, it is not. Okay, but a very deep retrace. There you go, man. Oh yeah, man, yeah. Make sure I haven't missed anything. Oh, also, will I see any Dead & Company shows this summer? I didn't plan on it, dude. Didn't plan on it. I don't really like traveling by myself places. I don't really like doing that. That's normally what it's been, kind of, recently. Roll Tide, Shane. Roll Tide. Alex, you finally made it, man. Glad you made it, dude. Yes, Michael K. The trade setup is via Telegram. Well, it's not new, though. No, it's not new at all. It's been going on. We've had that amenity forever. What's up, Jimmy Ragsdale? Welcome, dude. Hope you had a great, wonderful birthday yesterday. Thanks for honoring us with your time. Special day. What's up, Raymond Santos? That's right, positive vibes. Okay. Let's go to rep. Augur. Augur. We're in the... For Derek. Yeah, Derek. Oh, we looked at this like yesterday or last night or whatever. Yeah, it was... yesterday. I mean... Going to the daily real quick so you can see we broke out of the channel, huge move up, and we have since tried to double bottom beautifully, double bottom, but I'm sorry to say that when we tried to break, we had a crazy couple false breakouts for selling off, and now it's just like you created this wick and it's like, is it price contraction? I don't know, man. Those are really that's a scrubby wick right there, so I don't even know, man. But like, I'll tell you this, we have double topped, and this is when we looked at it yesterday, man, on the daily. Bearish divergence on both oscillators. When you double top and you have lower levels of positive momentum and lower levels of relative strength, that is class B bearish divergence, and that signifies impending price action reversal to the downside. So we're selling off, right, as discussed yesterday, below the 50 moving average and the 20 moving average now. So your Monka S territory is at 35.67. All right, let's see if we can hold that. If not, all right, see you all the way back down to like where candle closes were. It's like 32.82. All right, and then you've got the lowest low at 31.70. All right, so you better hold this up-sloping support. Otherwise, you're coming straight down to, again, this area right here. Okay. Rep Connect. What's up, Mr. Potato Chip Bag Man? Very cool, Captain Crypto, dude. Green Bag Cardano says, hey Mitch, love your stream, buddy. Greetings from Belgium. Welcome, man. Love seeing our fellow crypto peoples across the pond, man. It's amazing, as always. Yeah, Bradford. I just maybe it might work out. but a really, really small pattern, not very well developed. Yeah, dude. So I bet money if like that runs up, a lot of other things run up too, right, Brad? So talking about OMG. Dollar Bill, you tired, man? Why you saying yawn? You bored, dude? Is my chart also showing a flash crash in Ethereum US dollar from 150 to 56? No, Alex P, it's not. Okay. Yeah, he probably is. Who cares? Doesn't even matter, man. It's like, think about it. If someone's in here, it's like they're wasting their life away. Because this is like, hey, when you're in here watching, like, and engaging and actually trying to learn something, man, you're investing in yourself. But like, if you come in here and you're like trying to like mess with the stream, it's like, what are you doing, man? Like, great waste of time. The atmosphere changed, Kanatoma, man. What are you talking about, Kanatoma? Holy crap. I've been live for like an hour? What? Okay. Somehow I've been live for an hour. You're local on the 8th. Holy crap. Thanks, Christopher, man. I'm glad you enjoy it. Stick around. Stay a while. Listen. Yeah, that game. Go back to Tether first. Okay. 50 minutes left until your daily close. As we show a little strength, just a little bit. Okay. Making the high. I mean, if we close the candle right now, we'd be making the highest high we've seen of this new little impulse since we pivoted just a few days ago. Okay. No worries, Derek, man. No worries at all. Okay. And dude, thanks so much, man, for joining the Patreon, dude. It means a lot. It really does. On your broker, it shows a long candlestick, which recovered in seconds. I don't know, Alex P, man. That sounds insane. It really does. Alright, Delab, man. Don't get distracted. Don't get in trouble, man. Do I think Activision's going to continue going to the upside? I mean, I'm always going to say I don't know because there's a variable called earnings coming up tomorrow. I think, right? And when earnings comes, man, it's a coin flip. It's always a coin flip unless you have insider information, okay, or you have some sort of really good info or knowledge of an overall market and you know which way it's going to go, right? So I don't know what earnings are going to do to Activision tomorrow, but all I did was see a couple identifiable bullish reversal patterns on Activision and took my entry at the absolute lowest risk entry, which was $44 on the dot. I think it went to $43.96 and then ran again. Okay, so hey, perfect, man. Oh my god, the freaking Night King's here. Dude, you understand the Night King is actually here. And you misspell your name as Night Kang with an A, not an I. Dude, what are you doing, man? This isn't Winterfell. Kappa. Or is it Kappa? It might be not Kappa. Oh, dude, you know they did. So crazy, man. Memes, speaking memes, what? He's been hoping someone would use his username in a comment on YouTube with some context, fictional or otherwise. It's a meme. Are you sure, dude? You could just be going crazy, man. Aw. Hey, you're you, whoever you are, dude. You're you, and you're literally wasting your time and energy while I make a living. Sorry, I get ahead of you every single day, dude. Get wrecked, dude. Introverts United says a month ago, Activision Blizzard claimed record profits, then laid off 800 Blizzard employees the next day. Was it a month ago? I thought it was like a few months ago that happened, okay? So, and that had a lot to do with, man, BlizzCon was an absolute disaster. You know, Diablo mobile game being released in China, them running off like the major player leadership from Blizzard, the company that Activision owns. Now they pushed everyone out, and they're doing it their way, and they don't care. All right. All right, Bitcoin's moving the upside, 5380. Okay, as we expect higher prices because of the wave, because we're going from C to D. All right, once the pivot happened, once the bullish divergence on this chart happened, man, the lower, it's a perfect lower low double bottom on candle. It's actually like almost, yeah, it was an actual technical lower low, like barely by like 10 bucks or something or less. All right, here we go, man. So I'm saying, showing strength with 46 minutes left on the day. All right. Oh my god, dude. We'll look at it in a second, man. I don't know, man. It's hard to get away from Bitcoin when it's, you know, making higher highs, right? I think other people would appreciate seeing this, keeping it up. Don't you guys have phones? Is this some sort of early April Fool's joke? Remember the red shirt guy? Red shirt guy 2.0? Because he was not the first red shirt guy. There was another one from a previous BlizzCon. Yeah, here it is. Like, if you don't know about Activision, it dumped in a few months. It dumped from $85 to lower than $40 briefly before bouncing, creating that head of the inverse head and shoulders. We're going to show you how it all started. This is literally how it went, man. Like, they came out with some stupid idea.
Hey, just was wondering, is this an out-of-season April Fool's joke?
No, it's a fully fledged Diablo experience on